the floor of the CME Group. This is Danny Riley with today's Mr. Top Step update. You know, starting on October 3rd, the S&P started to make a low at the 1068.5 level. 19 trading days later, 14 of which were higher, 5 which were lower, the S&P has rallied a total of 220 handles up to the 1288.70 level. You know, this is a gigantic rally in a short amount of time, and it's also the biggest monthly gain since 1974. This is gigantic stuff. And it has a lot to do with money pouring out of the bond market and chasing returns in the stock market. But additionally, it's got a lot to do with the global macro picture and a little bit to do with the earnings here as we go into the last quarter of the year. You know, October started this rally, but the best 6 months for the stock market starts November to April. Now, the last thing that we're going to point out is that Steve Eubanks gave me a chart to put up. He calls it the 1288 tsunami ledge. Now, I think we all agree what we're going to be looking at is that the markets are very extended, but up to this point, it hasn't really mattered. Every day that we've had a pullback, and on most occasions during this rally, it's only been a one-day pullback. The markets have pulled back and then made new highs. Now, as we go into the end of the month and into the new month, we're wondering if there isn't more of that kind of markup type stuff around, and then maybe we pull back later into next week or as we go into the beginning of October. That said, the markets are on a quiet note here. I think we could all say thank God it's Friday, and we'll see you next Monday with another Mr. Top Step update.